Hey everyone, welcome to Step Up Vinyl Stair Nosing. In this video, we're going to be showing you an installation using the products that we create here at Step Up. So if you check out our website at stepupvinyl.ca, you're going to see that we specialize in taking flat vinyl stair nosing and turning it into treads or nosings for your stairs. And that's what you're seeing today is the installation of our products. So on these bottom steps here, these are really complex ones given that they are open on both sides. So not only in this case did we make the treads for the stairs, but we also had to make those risers there. When you cut vinyl plank flooring, the sides are obviously going to be really rough, and you're not going to want to see that on the sides of those risers. So we do have a process where we're able to wrap the ends with that same color and wear layer as is on the front of the vinyl. So if you're doing your own job and you're interested in learning how to do that yourself, if you hit that subscribe button and head over to our channel, we do have a whole bunch of how-to videos, including a how-to video of exactly how to do that process. Or if you are in Southern Ontario, Canada, you're welcome to go over to our website and reach out, and we're happy to make them for you. You can see here on the installation, we are using a PL Premium adhesive for the job, and yes, we are starting at the bottom. We get so many people commenting on our videos about why we work from the bottom up instead of the top down. We do understand that if we started at the top, we would never be standing on our finished work that isn't cured yet. We get that, but there is a reason why we do it the way that we do, and that is about having clean finishes. So with the riser that you just saw, the very bottom of that riser was sitting on top of the tread that had been installed. That is the manufactured edge of that plank. So we know that that is perfectly straight and a beautiful cut. And it is going to cover any of the slight imperfections that might be at the back of that tread. Okay, the top of that riser is the side that's been ripped or cut. And so, yeah, there's sometimes some slight imperfections, or we maybe don't go like 100% all the way to the top. But with this process, because it's being put there and then the next tread, the lip is going to cover the top of it, it just allows for those slight variations that are inevitable in an installation to be covered and for us to ensure that we have a perfect, beautiful finish, which is really important to our company and our brand and to each and every one of our workers here. So you can see these open treads that are being installed. They are fully made. So these are custom made treads that were done for this job. So we came out to the job, we did all the measurements, we went back to the shop, and we made these treads. They are being installed completely as one solid piece that were made by our business. For the steps going up further, when you have the walls or stringers on both sides of the stairs, you have a little bit more leeway. These are the nosings that we make and sell to other people for them to be able to do the installation themselves. They have the same click on them that the vinyl has. Obviously, they're made out of the vinyl, and so you're simply able to cut and click a second board on and install there. So they are not full treads that you are purchasing. You're just purchasing the nosing portion, and then you're able to click the other ones onto it. And so again, because there's those walls on both sides, we make the nosings and sell them long, and then customers are able to cut them down to the size that they need. If you are working with us and or purchasing nosings from us, we have tons of tutorial videos that help you be able to do these types of installations yourself. Everything from more detail about how to do that click and hold it into place, the adhesives we use, how to do the caulking at the sides afterwards, how to measure and cut. All of it is on our channel, so we would really appreciate it if you'd give us that subscribe, a thumbs up, and go check out some of those other videos that can help you with your own DIY projects. We do also have a wonderful installation team. That's who you're watching here and who you're watching in most of our videos. That would be more than happy to come out to your place and do this for you. all you have to do is reach out on the channel at stepupvinyl.ca, and we'd be happy to get that process started for you. All right, so we continue to see this installation here. I don't know about you all, but I find it incredibly satisfying to watch the repetitive nature, the beautiful installation, and honestly, just the transformation that happens. It is absolutely stunning, and it makes such a difference in the home. The best part about it is that it is the exact same vinyl that is above and below the stairs. So we're not color matching because we're using the same product. It's going to wear the exact same way. It is vinyl, so it's likely not going to wear, scratch. It's going to be waterproof. And it really just gives an absolute beautiful finish and tie-in and refresh to a home. Some people do ask about slippery. It's not slippery. Lots of vinyl plank flooring now comes with ridges in it. And so it's the exact same as having wood on the stairs. All right, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Here is the finished job after the caulking and everything has set. You can see that transformation there. Hit that thumbs up button and check out the other videos on our channel. We hope this has helped. We hope this has inspired you on your installation, and we hope some of our other videos will help you make your dreams come true on your stairing installation as well, or at least give you the confidence to consider vinyl as a product for your stairs. Smash that subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.